Okay, so we have made already keto tamales, right? But what about empanadas? Holy cow. I was thinking, and you know what? If you have tried these keto bagels, like, oh my gosh, and I thought, okay, you know what? Let's kind of play on that and see how this turns out, yeah? Okay, so what I'm gonna take is 1.5 cup of mozzarella cheese and 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, okay? I'm gonna pop that in the microwave for 1 minute. So while that's going, I am going to take 3/4 cup of almond flour. Okay, so this is where the fun begins, all right? Because we're gonna spice this up. We're gonna take 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And you know what? I do heaping teaspoons. I don't level them off, you know. Last time for that, right? Okay. Now, I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon. Actually, I'm probably going to do 1/2 teaspoon of curry powder. Curry powder, if you're not used to it, you'll taste it right away. But me, I love cooking with curry powder because it has anti-inflammatory components to it. All right, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Okay, so in the microwave, I have the mozzarella cheese and the cream cheese. I'm gonna go stir that and then microwave it another minute. I'll be right back. Okay. All right, so see, it's not quite yet completely melted. That's the oven, preheated to 425. Okay, I think, yeah, let me microwave it for 1 more minute. Okay, there we go. I'm excited, oh my gosh. If you haven't tried to make your own keto strawberry ice cream yet, I have a video on how to make it. It is so delicious, like, oh my gosh. I honestly feel more freedom now eating this way than I ever have. I don't feel like I'm on a diet. Oh my God, I'm in heaven. All right, back to this. All right, I've got my almond flour here. I've got my cayenne pepper going. I've got curry, garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder. Dump that in there. Put the lid back on. And 1 teaspoon of sea salt. I love me my sea salt too. Okay. All right. So I already browned the chorizo that we're gonna use. And let me just mix all this goodness. And then to this, I'm going to add 1 whole egg. Okay. Again, you know what? If you want to be really professional, you could put this through a sifter. I'm reminiscing. I'm remembering my home economic class back in the day. Sift this, level that, you know. Sorry. See, that's why, you know, I'm teaching you guys to make it easy, simple. Just throw it in there, you know. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna crack 1 egg. And come on. Okay, put that in there. And try to mix that. Okay. Now, because I don't want the cheese to lose its consistency, I have to kind of do this fast. So go ahead and mix all that goodness in there. Okay. Cheese and wash my hands while I'm at it. once this is thoroughly mixed, okay, I am going to go ahead and flatten it out. This is pretty hot still. You know what, I should have, here, let's transfer it. Okay, yeah, so when you're doing this, obviously don't burn yourself. So once this is thoroughly mixed, I'm going to put it on a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper, and I'm going to flatten it out as much as I can. And then what I'm going to do is take this ramekin and make little round circles. Okay, I'm hoping to get at least 12 round circles out of this semi-dough. Okay, then with my circle, what I'm going to do is place the chorizo in the middle, fold it over like a hot pocket kind of thing, and then seal it in. And to make it fancy, take a fork to it and kind of make those little empanada lines on the edges. Okay, so look at this. There we go, there we go. Mix, mix, mix. You know what? Maybe my mixer next time. But this is a good workout for your arms, okay? Mixing, mixing, mixing. Okay. All right. Let me take this and kind of fold it in itself. Let's see. Okay. All right, beautiful. I think I'm good. It's not very sticky right now. All right, so what I'm gonna do is wash my, actually I'm not gonna wash my hand. So here I have my baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper. I'm gonna take my dough and flatten it as much as I can. Again, I'm going to try to get at least 6 rounds out of this. Okay, now, I was trying to resist the urge to wash my hands, but I can't. Hold on. Come on. There we go. So now, I'm going to take my ramekin and place it down. Yeah, probably not going to get 12 out of these. And take my knife and cut around. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you one so that I don't have you here with me all night. Okay. My second baking sheet. I'm going to place that in the middle, okay, and take, let's see, let me grab a clean spoon, some of my chorizo filling, and stuff my empanada with that chorizo. Okay, hope you guys can see that. Now I'm going to bring it on over and seal them. Okay. I don't know if you could see that. See? Now, obviously, if you want to make them bigger, go ahead. You can say, well, Blanca, that looks more like a wonton than, or a pot sticker, right? Okay. But you get the gist of it. And what I'm gonna do is bake them for about 15 minutes. And then, of course, you know what? Take a clean fork, and if you just wanna run it against, you know, make your little lines, like so. Ta-da! Then I'm gonna go ahead and make the rest of these. Fill them up, pop them in the oven, and then we'll be back 15 minutes later. Okay, so yeah, my impatience got the best of me. So instead of making 12 round, perfect little empanadas, I ended up making like, so sorry. Yeah, but let's take them out of the oven, yeah? Okay, so I baked them at 425 for about 15 minutes, and ta-da! See? They are stuffed with yummy chorizo. So that's it. There you have it, okay? So again, it's possible. It is totally possible to stay keto and have the foods that you love without sacrificing the taste. Have a good night. These are like superbly delicious. If you want the recipe, keto simplified, holy cow. Keto empanadas stuffed with chorizo, like totally heavenly, to the next level.